Hey guys, just want to tell you, I mixed all the slime in there, the best slime. I mean, the video cut short because I had to charge my phone, and it's still kind of down. So this one was the good one that made slime the best, Suave, and Suave Man right there, that last one right there. And they did much better than all of them. And I'm going to put a pinch of salt for all of them. I put it in this, and I'm going to mix. Wow. Then I'm going to put it in the cooling chamber. And then I told you that this one had water and a little bit of the shampoo. So I put, it's like contact solution. Okay, you can see it. It's getting a little watery. But kind of getting a little bit of better. And once I put it in, that shampoo smells really good. This is going to be a good amount of slime. So I have to put it in the cooling chamber. PS is outside. So I'm going to put that right there. And clean up this mess, and I'll see you later. Or just, I'm going to sit right here. So I know my face is so ugly. I know I look so ugly, but whatever. Deal with it. Yeah. And then we'll go to my chamber, cooling chamber. That way we can let it set and cool down. And I really don't want my phone to turn off again. So, and my grandma just cleaned this sink already, but let's say something happened. So I have to be really quiet. Be quiet to pee. I mean, why am I saying be quiet? It's my grandma, and also we made it. Okay. This is the slime I already made, and this is this is the slime that I made earlier, and this one is what I made just like a few minutes ago. So I opened it. It's cold. It's outside, so I just used this, making sure it does not fall. And now we gotta wait until it dries. So bye.